Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Today we are going to start with Unit 2, the chapter number 2.3, a magazine for your class, that is on page number textbook page number 29. First of all, I would like to say that this is actually an activity based lesson where question for summative evaluation will be based only on page number from the page number 29, and remaining pages just you have to go through it. So I'm going to give you explanation for page number 29 only. Now, as you had seen, the name of the lesson is a wall magazine for your class. Now, magazine, this is not a new word for you. If you remember, last 3 to 4 years back, our school has also put forth or written a magazine which was in the name of Ali Alana, our school. Actually, school magazines are written by the students, means the write-ups are given from the students to put in the magazine. Every year, in some school, every year the magazines are published. And second thing, in magazines, most probably the activities whatever is done in full academic year, that is noted down. After that, the students who are talented, if some of the students are writing the poem, composition, any science related thing, health related issues, that has been noted down in the magazine and it is published. So it is given to each and every student of the school. So now here this lesson is named as a wall magazine. So here for your class, so here in this lesson, the student of standard 6, they had kept one wall as a wall magazine. From each and every class, each and every year from the class, each student may bring new ideas or new concepts. They write it down on the paper and they put that write-ups on the wall. So it is known as wall magazine. So I hope the topic is clear to you. Now let me tell you some introduction about this. I feel that a wall magazine is must for every class because it encourages and motivates students to share their talent and contribute their shares towards the magazine. It is wonderful way to encourage students to read, write and find articles to be put on a wall magazine. The topics could range from stories, poem, puzzles, riddles, quiz, games, study tips, health tips, gardening tips, fashion designing, science, drawing and recipes also. This would be an activity where most students would love to participate. Okay, so let us start with the lesson. Student of 6th A are bubbled with enthusiasm all the time. Now, what it is said in this lesson, that student of standard 6, they are always bubbled with enthusiasm. They are very energetic. Be it sports, hobbies or study. So the author is telling, it may be sports also, hobbies also or studies also. They are always ready. They are very enthusiasm. This year they surprised the rest of the school by bringing out a wall magazine. Now this year they had surprised the full school. What they had done, they had brought up a wall magazine. Okay. The idea became so popular that soon there were unique walls magazines in almost every class in the school. Now the 6th standard idea was so great that each and every class in each and every class a wall magazine was started. Okay, this is what class 6th A did to plan and prepare their wall magazine. Now, further in the lesson, we are going to get how they decided or how they planned to make a wall magazine. The class of 6th A. First, the students and class teacher of 6th A brought several children's magazine and pages of children's section in periodicals and newspaper to the classroom. Now first, what they did, the students and the class teacher of 6th A, the students also and the teacher also, first they brought what, several children magazine, different magazines for children's they have brought, and pages of children's sections, and the different pages where in newspaper, periodicals, newspapers, magazines, there are sections of the children's. So they had brought the cuttings. All students have brought the cuttings to the classroom. They studied the content to see what all was included in the magazine. First they studied that whatever they brought, first they studied and they started gathering the information. Okay, there was a tremendous variety: stories, poem, puzzles, riddles, craft ideas, informative articles, interesting tidbits of information, jokes, board games, book reviews, quizzes, study tips, health tips, and even recipe. So when they started gathering the information, what they saw that in that magazine there was different type of articles related to particular person's talent. Okay, so this was all what were there in that cuttings. Okay, there were also columns about students achievements, doubts, and problems. So in that periodicals and newspaper, there was also the column of what, students achievements and doubts and problems of the students. These columns were run with the help of teachers or parents. Now this particular column was helped with whom, with the help of the teachers and parents. After studying all the material, a discussion was held in the class to choose section for their own magazine. It was decided that, now after seeing this, after gathering all the information, what did, there was a discussion held in the class to choose the section of their own magazine. Teacher had told that you have to select your section according to the magazine. Okay, it was decided, then they all had decided. Let us see what they had decided. There would be at least 4 issues of the magazine. What they decided, that there will be 4 issues of the magazine. There would be a separate team for each issue. Now this issue, what do you mean by issues? Issues means 4 parts will be there. Okay, and for single part, that is single issue, there will be what, a team. Okay, the team would have an editor, 1 or 2 sub editor, illustrator, that is artist, and writer. Now what they decided, that for this for writing that issues, 4, that decided that we will remove the 4 issues, and for that 4 issues the team was, they were going to set. In that team there was an editor. Editor means a person who writes. 1 or 2 sub editors. So 1 or 2 there will be sub editors. Illustrator, illustrator means artist, the person who draws. Okay, and writer, the person who writes, those who actually copied or typed the issues in beautiful letters. Now these were the persons who were going to work for the magazine. Whenever if the children has read the write up or article, they have to copy down in neat handwriting and put it on the wall magazine. Anyone in the class could send contribution to the issue. Now there was no rules and regulation, no restriction. Anyone, those who wish that I have to write for the wall magazine, the student has to write and submit it to the editor. Okay, the editors would select the articles to be included and their decision would be final. When any of the students used to write, they have to submit it to the editor. Editor, what he will look the write up, what the students have given, is it perfect, is it good for the students. If the editor says that it is good, then he can and that decision of editor will be what? Final. Thus there would be 4 different teams to work on the 4 issues. So as we had seen first only, that for each and every issues there will be different teams. Okay. The column regular features in all 4 issues. Now the columns and all the 4 issues will be what? Were planned with the help of the class teacher, and all the 4 issues will be planned by whom? The class teacher. Apart from the editorial teams, more groups were made to run columns like craft ideas, recipe, I need help, science corner, etc. Now this 4 issues, 4 team, this 4 team were already what? Selected. After selecting, apart from the editorial team, means this the 4 team that was what? Editorial team. Beside this they have to make what? More groups to run the columns. Now different columns were there: craft ideas, recipes, I need help, science corner, etc. So these were the 4 columns. It was the job of this group to collect material for their respective column. Now the group leaders were made, and it was the responsibility given to the group leaders to collect the information or whatever material they need. With the teacher's help, a prominent place was fixed to display the magazine in the classroom. Now with the help of the teacher, they had decided one prominent place. Okay, so they had decided the prominent place. prominent Prominent means easily seen or noticeable. Okay, prominent means what? Easily seen and noticeable. So a prominent place means where we can see easily. So that place was decided and fixed to display the magazine in the classroom, and on that wall they had decided to fix a magazine. Okay, a long discussion was held to choose a good name for the magazine. There was a long discussion to choose a name for the magazine. There was a long discussion. Okay, so let us see what is there here. Are you tempted to do something similar for your own class? What are you waiting for? Go ahead. Now after reading this lesson, are you also interested that in your class also there should be a wall class magazine? So what the author is telling? He is telling, don't think, just go ahead. On the next few pages, you will find some specimens from the wall magazine of 6th A. As I said, that on the next page, you will see the specimen, what they had put on the wall magazine. We are sure you can create even more interesting pages if you use your own ideas and talent. Here what the author is telling? Author is telling that he is sure that you can create more ideas and collect more information, and you can show your talents. Okay, so let us see here. As I told you that I am not going to explain out all this, you have to just read it out. Okay, now this is the joke sections. So this is one issue. Here fun with words. Here are the fun with words. Here is the science corner. Now in science corner, what is the topic? Why do water tin sheet become hot in the sun but not a tree? Okay, so the explanation is given full. You have to read this. Okay, now on next page, I am confused, please help. Now here one of the student is there. He is what? Confused, and he is asking for a help. Expert advice from senior friends. Now because he is confused, so there is an expert advice given by the friend. Then on this page, the little rose tree, rhyme and rhythm. Here the poems are written by the students. Okay, so this is the poem section. Now yes, here you have ended with the chapter. So I request you everyone to just go through this 4 pages, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now here you don't have any question answers and all, just because this is activity based lesson. Okay, so you have to read this 4 pages. Thank you. Have a nice day.